This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat, heading to the cathedral. Once inside, we will head towards the right of the nave to observe the Saint-Pierre-du-bâtiment chapel. Let us put ourselves in the context of the times. The year is 1950, and 6 years previously, the cathedral was bombed and partly destroyed during the Second World War. The reconstruction will take several years, and will also allow construction workers to work. This chapel therefore honors the building trades. In front of us, as we raise our heads, the stained glass window is dedicated to the bosses of the building trades. In the center, Christ on the Ascension, which refers to the feast of mason workers, rises gracefully in the deployment of a magnificent red mantle between Saint Joseph, patron of woodworkers, and Saint Eloi, master of ironworkers. Still in front of us, placed on the ground, the chapel also houses a wooden model of the cathedral for the blind. On our left, a bas-relief carved in precious wood presents a virgin and child who welcomes the offering of a resurrected, gilded cathedral, presented by two companions of the building and between them the symbols of their profession. In other words, the workers offer this cathedral rebuilt by their hands to the Virgin and the child, Jesus, who holds in his hand a square symbol of the workers. For information, this bas-relief was offered by the French Building Federation.